Experience driving perfection in the 2009 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a five-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include heated front seats, one-touch window functionality, turn signal indicator mirrors, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.